Hi, good morning. Today we will discuss different commands present in the Unix. So, what is a command? So, basically, a command is a command is a program that is purpose is to do some specific task. For example, cat command is used to display the contents of the file. Date command is used to print the system date. So, like that. So that is nothing but the command. So, how in Unix commands exist? So, commands in Unix exist in lowercase. This is another important point. And commands in Unix are cryptic. For example, cat, ls, who, all are small letters and all are shortcut. So, shortcut means cryptic because initially the commands are used for researchers for research purpose only. So, that's why they make it as very short for their easy to daily use, for the easy to use. And commands are also commands are used to give 0 or more arguments to it. For example, in ls command we can have dozens of arguments to it. And another property is commands have format specifiers with it, and it's specified by plus symbol, and this is another important point. And also commands are does not commands the purpose of the command is to do some specific task. So that's why commands are mostly written, purpose is to know how it will be used for a specific action. For example, if you want to kill a command, we can give either delete or control U, and it is possible to run the command in background while running another program, another command. So, but this feature is not available in bound shell, but it is available in remaining shell. So, this is about the brief introduction to the command. So, command is nothing but a program to do some specific task. Commands are cryptic. Commands can be written in smaller case letters, and commands have 0 or more arguments. Commands have format specifier. Commands have options, and you can kill a command, and commands can be run in background. So this is about the introduction to the command. So, and what are different commands present in Unix? So we will start with the echo command. So basically, echo command is used to display the message given to the command. Suppose if no message is given, then simply nothing is printed by the echo command. If any message is given as argument to the echo command, then that particular message is printed as it is. And if any variable is given as argument to the echo command, then the variable is interpreted and the value of the variable gets printed into the terminal. So this is about the echo command. Second one is tput command. So tput command is used to move the cursor to the required position on the terminal. And not only that one, it is also used for blinking and for positioning a cursor. And suppose if tput is given along with the clear command, then the cursor is placed at the topmost left position in the terminal. And if tput is given along with lines, that means number of rows in the terminal gets printed. If tput is given along with the calls, that is columns, then number of columns in the terminal gets printed. This is another important feature present in the tput command. Next is tty command. So tty command is used to know in Unix everything is a device, even a terminal is also a device. So to know in which device you are logged into it, simply give tty at the $prompt. So it will give the output as pts/0 or tty/0 in Unix. In Unix it is given as pts/dev0. So like this we can print the terminal name in a Unix Unix system. Next is who command. So who means who command is used to know the list of users who are currently logged into the system. So it is used by the administrator to know the number of users currently logged into system. For example, if I give who at the dollar prompt, it will give 3 columns, 3 column format. First column gives the name of the user, second column gives the terminal on which he logged in, and third one gives the time of login into the system. And who has arguments like h and u. So who followed by -h, it will give the headers of the output. So first one, and if you give u as the argument along with the h, it will give 3 more output, 3 more columns as the output, like idle time and process ID and comments. So like this, for example, if who is a, for example, MGR manager, so login time 9:20 at terminal TTY02 and time 09:20, that means he is idle for 9 minutes and 20 seconds, and PID 32 and comments something. So like that, for every line in the who command we have associated with all these fields. If we give who along with the h and u. Next is date command. So what is the date command, and what is the date command? So date command is used to know the system date. So it will print the date in like November 19 9:30 UTC 2020. So like that, it will give the name in columns. So if you give date with plus percentage m, it will give the month. If it will give date plus percentage h, small h, then it will give the month in sentence, in characters. So like that, if you give date plus percentage m and h, then it will print both the name as well as the number of the current month. Okay, so like this we can give arguments to the date command. So date percentage capital D gives the date command gives the date in YY format. Suppose if we give percentage small d, it simply give year in 2 digits. Suppose if we give percentage date percentage capital Y, then it will print the year in 4 YY. If you use small y, date percentage y, then it will small y, it will give the year in 2 digits. So this is about the date command. And also date -u gives the command in UTC. There are different time zones, so universal time zone. So this is about it. And also date command is also used by the system administrator to change the date of the system. So this date will work on the backup of the battery even when it is shut down. So date hash because we are logging into the root user, so that's why we give the hash as the command prompt. So hash date and give the format. So 19 11 09 12 35, that means November 19 9 hours 13 minutes and 25 seconds. So that is the system date which we are going to change. So this is about the date command. Thank you.